love you too, Glama girls! Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back to Glam It Up with Glama. So today is going to be a video about a bag. A company contacted me and asked me if I would do a review on this bag. So what I did is I went ahead and looked at the link that they sent me, and I looked it up, and the bag looks really awesome. So I told them that I would love to receive the bag and see what the quality is like, and that way I could share it with my viewers if I liked it. So even though I don't know what the quality of it is yet, because I just got it in the mail, I am going to do the unboxing with you and let you know about it. And I can't pronounce the name of the company. I'll put the spelling right here. I think it's Lavievert or something like that. But anyway, I'm not sure what language it is or if I'm even saying it wrong, but there is the spelling of it. After they asked me if I would do a review, I went ahead and clicked on the link that they sent me in their email, and the bag looks really awesome. So what I also did is I asked them, I said it would be really awesome if y'all could send a second one so that if I like it and my viewers like it, I can do a giveaway for a fortunate viewer. So they actually said they could do that, and they even gave me a discount code. Yay! So if you want to see what is in this box, then you know what to do. Just sit tight and we'll just get started right after this. All right, see you in a minute. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. So this is, it just got here yesterday. This is what they sent me. So I haven't even opened up the plastic yet. So here we are. They sent me two of them, two purple ones. So let me open mine. And this is perfect. You know why? Because I had just told y'all that I was going to be taking a trip to North Carolina, and I've got a lot of makeup to take. I'll show you everything that I'm going to take. If everything fits in here, I'll definitely show you what it all looks like once it's all filled up. Alright, so this is what the bag looks like. It came packaged like this, so let's open this up. So here it is. Oh wow, it's so cute! It's like a travel bag, a toiletry bag. It's supposed to be able to hold everything. So here it is. Wow, perfect. You can hang it right here. If you're traveling, you can hang this in the closet in the motel room. There's supposed to be a space for brushes and everything. So let's just take a look. Let's open everything up. Ooh, look for the brushes. Look, I just got those new brushes, remember? From BOXYCHARM. So this is, wow, let's try this out. Let me put a few in here, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Wow. That is so adorable. Look at that. So that's one side. This is how big it is. And that's what that looks like. You can zip it up, and then look, there's another zipper. What does this zipper do? Oh, that's to put, ooh, see, it's got pockets in pockets. You can put makeup in there, perfume, lotions, whatever. Let's see what's on this other side. More brushes. Woohoo! Room for more brushes. Oh my word. Let's see, is this another pocket? Yes, with more compartments. Two more compartments in there. My goodness. Oh, and look, even the front is divided, so you can put things in there. And there's a pocket right there. There's little compartments in here, you see? Yeah, there's compartments in separated compartments, and then on top of that there's more compartments. And then this right here, you can put even more brushes. Look, there's room for more brushes and stuff. And makeup or hair stuff that you need, hair ties, anything. Oh my word, this is a little bag, but it holds so much. Oh my goodness, I wish I could just hold it all open for you. There, like that. Let's open this with my chin. Let's see if I can get this open. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. So yeah, isn't this awesome? I'm gonna fill it all up because I gotta leave in about an hour to go on our road trip, and I'm gonna put all my makeup my hairsprays, anything that I need. I'm gonna put that all in here and I'm gonna show you what it looks like in a minute. So yeah, if you guys are interested in winning this bag as a giveaway, then I am going to put some rules down in the description box, and all you have to do is follow those simple rules, and then I will make a choice when I get back from my trip and see who wins. Okay, I'm just gonna pick randomly. I'm just gonna put all the names in a bowl and I'm just gonna I'm gonna draw a name, and whoever wins, wins, and then I will be contacting you. So I'll leave information down below on how I will contact you if you win. Maybe I'll make a video and say, guess who won? And then I'll have y'all contact me, okay? All right, so I think this is awesome. And you know what? This is really good quality. It's very thick and durable material, so I'm really, really pleased about that. I like that it's made out of this material because if something were to spill in here, it's gonna clean up very nicely, very easily. So yeah, and I think it's just awesome that they're going to give us a discount code for y'all. The ones of y'all that don't win the giveaway, you can still go and get your bag. It's not very expensive. It's good quality, but it's very inexpensive. So this is awesome. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start packing because I gotta get going. Alright, so alrighty guys, I'll be back when it's filled up and I will show you what everything looks like in here. Alright, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so I have it filled in pretty much, and I've got a few more things that I want to add in there because there's still room, like socks and undies. But let me show you what I have right now. Oh my god, it's so heavy because I have so much stuff in here. Okay, so I have some brushes in there, some brushes over here, and in this compartment I have my Urban setting spray, some primer, some mascara, my Fade Bright from Platinum Skincare that I just can't live without, that I have to apply every day, twice a day. And then on this side, next to the brushes, I have moisturizer and more brushes. And then over here, I have my Laura Geller foundations. There's one, there's two in there. Oh, I didn't even see the zipper. I could have added stuff in the zipper. Wow. Okay, didn't even see that. Got my brush cleaner, and I'll show you what's on the inside here in a minute. Here's what I have on the top. I have some lip glosses over here, some lip liners and pencil, my brow trio, and behind the Anastasia Amrezi back there is my e.l.f. contouring kit, and you can see what's in the inside here. I have my 10 zoom mirror that I have to use to apply my makeup, toothpaste. I have 3 eyeshadow palettes. Oh my word, look at that. 1, 2, 3 eyeshadow palettes. I have my remote for my camera, and I have lots of things in the bottom here. Let me show you. Down in the bottom, I have my hair straightener. I have some EOS lip gloss. I have my Gray Away for my hair because I haven't had time to dye it. I have my Becca under eye correcting, my toothbrush. I have some deodorant, and now you can see the hair curler down there. You see it, the white and the red thing down there? So yeah, and I'm gonna go add some undies and socks to this, and who knows what else, because I still have plenty of room. Look at all that room I still have. I can fill all this up. So let me zip this up and show you what it looks like zipped up. Okay, so I only have a few more zips to go. Let me see if I can do it one-handed. You have no idea the quality of this bag. It's cushy and it's just so durable feeling. It really is. There we go. It's got a handle right here. Oh my goodness, it's heavy because there's so much stuff in this little teeny tiny bag. Isn't this just so adorable? Yes, and I love the color. So yeah, guys, are you guys excited for the giveaway? So this one right here is for a very lucky winner. You're gonna get to win one of these. I'm so happy that I asked them to give one to you guys. So thrilled about that. So like I said, don't forget to look down in the description box. I'll have all the rules for the giveaway. And if you end up not being the winner, then there's going to be a discount code that they were so gracious to let me have for all of you guys. So yeah, like I said, I'm not sure how to pronounce the company. I don't know, but the name is right here, so your guess is as good as mine. But in conclusion, I just want to say thank you so much to the company for contacting me and asking me to review this product, because I love it. I absolutely do love it. You guys know that I only bring things to you that I think look and sound interesting, and even though I hadn't opened it until now and inspected it until now, when I went to the website and saw everything that could go in this bag, I was like, yes, I definitely want to try it. I definitely think this is something that my viewers would be interested in. And yeah, whenever you go somewhere, traveling overnight or whatever, this is going to be so perfect for y'all. It's perfect for men. I think it comes in black and blue as well. Instead of putting brushes in there, they could be putting their shavers, or the women could be putting their makeup brushes in there. The men could use the other part of it. This is a co-ed bag because it's a toiletry bag. It's everything. So yeah, and you can even throw in some undies and socks like I'm gonna do. Alrighty guys, so yeah, so once again, I just want to thank the company for contacting me and asking me to do a review on this, because I absolutely love it. You have an awesome product here. And for all of you viewers, my Glam fam, I am so happy to bring this to you and to give one of y'all a chance to win your awesome bag. So yeah, don't forget to go down to the description box. You'll see a link where you can go and order yours in case you don't win, or in case you don't want to wait to see if you win the giveaway. You can go and order a couple and give them out as gifts, because they are so awesome. Anyone you give this to is going to love it as much as I do. I promise you that. Especially if black or blue or purple is their color, then I think those are the choices. There might be more, I'm not sure, but go look at the website. Maybe they'll add more colors, I don't know. So anyway, yes, I'm so excited about this, and I gotta get going because I truly am going on my trip. Today is Saturday. We'll probably get there tomorrow night in North Carolina, but it's so weird when I was contacted by the company like 3 or 4 days ago, and I emailed them back and said, sure, I would love to try it. And then I was thinking, then when we found out we had to leave on the trip, I was like, oh, wouldn't it be awesome if the bag showed up in time? And lo and behold, it showed up yesterday, and we're leaving today. This is so perfect timing. It's just like meant to be. So alrighty guys, on my travels, I'm gonna be vlogging the trip. So yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging getting in the car. I'm going to be showing you some of the sites. We're going to be staying in an Airbnb in North Carolina, about 10 or 15 minutes away from where my mother-in-law is staying. And so yeah, I'm gonna be probably filming in the morning while my husband goes and visits his mom by himself so they can have alone time, and then he'll come and get me around noontime after I'm done filming for you guys. Maybe we'll do live sessions while I'm over there every day or something, I don't know. And then he'll come and get me, give me time to film and time to get ready, and then he'll come and get me. We'll maybe take his mom to lunch, stay with her, visit with her, and then yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Although it's going to be a little stressful because I know she's not doing really well, but we're going to try to make it fun for her. I'm taking some nail polish, I'm taking some makeup that I think would be perfect for her. I'm going to kind of doll her up while I'm there and make her feel better, kind of try to help lift her spirits a little bit. So, alrighty guys, I think I've babbled enough. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye. Mwah. Besitos. I'll see you on the road trip. Okay, so Adam's taking everything in the car. You're taking all that water, babe?
Yeah, for the road. I put 6 in the...
Oh my word.
In the thing, and I was going to do that for myself anyway.
You're going to take all of those though?
Yeah.
My word.
Well, it'll be there for the week on the road trip back.
So you still have this, my camera bag, my handbag. That's my son's new car. Brand spanking new. It only had 5 miles when he drove it off the lot. It's a Mitsubishi. So there's my shirts hanging up. There's our stuff. There's a cooler. I forgot what he said he has in the cooler for us. Here's his bag. Yeah, cool. There's Petrova. She knows something's happening. She knows I'm leaving. Even when I just go to Walmart, she gets sad and starts crying. So I'm gonna be so sad. I told her I would bring her back a Moana toy. You don't want to be on camera? And there's Finesse. Finesse is sad deep down inside, even though she's smiling.
You want to keep your purse in the front with you?
Yeah, for now, and then I might throw it back there. I don't know.
Oh, that concrete is hot on my feet. It burns.
Aw, I saw something. Look what he put in the car for me. There's a rose. He put a
Cute.
rose in there for the trip. Aw, how pretty. He's so
I'm gonna take a
sweet.
picture.
Yeah. So this is the day we're leaving. This is what's happening while we're getting ready to go. We're about an hour late from leaving. And there's the other one. Petrova knows something is up. She didn't want me to put her down because she knew I would leave without her. You ready?
I'm ready. There's on either side either.
And there's Paris. When me and Finesse were out there, she was laying behind the car on the concrete like, you're not leaving. If you leave, you're going to be running me over. So
We should be taking with us, man. Should take everybody.
we love you, Paris. So I already said goodbye to my bigger girls, but I got to say goodbye to my little boy and then Zoe and Petrova. Mom, yeah, Glama's going to say goodbye now, okay? Glama loves you. Okay, don't do anything new while I'm gone, okay? I'm only going to be gone a week, so you stop growing. Okay, you're on pause until I get back, okay? All right, baby boy, I love you. Can you smile like Glama before I go? You got Glama such a good cry. Smile. Where's the Zoe bear? I'm going to say bye to Petrova last when she's going to cry.
What's this?
Come here, Zoe bear. Come here, Zoe bear. You want to wear this? Do you want to
I
wear
already
that?
kissed those two goodbye.
There's my Zoe bear. Yeah. Yeah, Zoe bear. I put lipstick on it. All right, baby. Give me a hug. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a hug and kiss. Zoe, give me a kiss. Dame un beso. Can I have a beso? Oh, I love you. Oh. All right, baby. Want to walk outside? Or do you not want her to go out there and watch
Well,
the
she'll cry regardless.
All right, guys, we're leaving.
Kill it. Wash it.
Look, both parents think she's leaving.
No, Jerry. Sorry, girl.
Tell my son I said goodbye. Tell him I love him. All right, baby. Kiss. Dame un beso. Nope, she doesn't. She's not going to say goodbye either. She knows I'm leaving. You say your goodbye. Dame un beso, baby. Can I have a kiss? Grandma's leaving. Grandma's going to go bye-bye. I'll be right back, okay? I love you.
You have to lie there. I'll be right back. I'm just going to Walmart.
You going to give me a kiss now? I love you. Say bye. Te amo. Te amo.
Grandma kiss Zoe.
Zoe, give me a kiss. Not the dog. Not the dog.
Grandma kisses, hey.
She's not going to. Give Glama a kiss. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.